In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and test a custom webhook in Make. A webhook lets an external app send data into your scenario the moment something happens, so setting one up is essential for real-time automations. First, open your scenario in Make so you can add a new module. On the canvas, click the plus icon to insert another step into your flow. In the search field that appears, type Webhooks, then select Webhooks from the results. From the options inside, choose Custom Webhook. This creates an endpoint that will wait for and capture incoming requests. Click Add to create a new webhook connection. Give it a clear, memorable name that describes what kind of data you expect, then click Save. Make instantly generates a unique webhook URL. This is the address you'll share with whatever tool or service will send data. Copy that URL to your clipboard so you have it ready. Then click OK to close the dialog. Treat the generated URL like a secret. Only share it with trusted sources, because anyone who has it can send data to this module during your tests. Before sending any data, click Run once at the bottom of the scenario. This puts the webhook into listening mode, so it can capture the very next request that arrives. Now it's time to send data to the webhook. Open your browser or a tool like Postman and prepare a simple request. Paste the webhook URL into the request field and send it. For a quick test, a basic request is fine. The goal here is simply to reach the URL so Make can record an example payload. Go back to Make and look at the webhook module on the canvas. If the request arrived, you'll see a small number badge appear on the module, indicating it captured a bundle of data. Click the webhook bubble to open the details and review exactly what came in. Here you can inspect fields, headers, and values, which helps you map this data to the next modules in your scenario. That's the entire process. Create the custom webhook, copy its URL, run the scenario once to listen, send a test request, and confirm the data arrived. If you don't see data, double-check that the scenario is running and that you pasted the correct URL when sending the request. With your webhook confirmed, you're ready to continue building, confident that external events can trigger your scenario in real time.